Alright people, it's Sarah again. Let's make a cabbage sauce today, shall we? So this sauce was just served with rice and it was used to eat breads, pasta, yam. In fact, it was just a multifunctional sauce, and good thing it's suitable for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So let's just dive straight in to the ingredients. You would need loads of vegetables, but most importantly some cabbage, carrots and pepper. I really wanted it to be spicy because it was hot, but you can avoid spice and just put what you have. So I have cut them down, and if you can see, I've added garlic and ginger. And to me, I ditch the fancy cutting whenever I'm doing my bell peppers, because those white parts are actually the most nutritious parts. And then I also grate the head of cabbage just because it has most of the nutrients. So yeah, let's continue. So I am boiling rice alongside it, so it gets ready at the same time and we get to eat everything fresh and hot. I would just go straight off now. I'm using minimal oil, as you know already. So I've just turned out some oil from the pan, and instead of washing it, I'm just using the pan like that, so there's no extra oil. But if you want, you can add a little oil or use butter. I'm sauteing the onion, garlic and ginger with some little spice. I'll speed it up a bit, but yeah, I'm just adding some of the habanero pepper and tomato next, just so that everything can saute at the same time. And the process of doing this, I'll be adding the spices in bits just because I don't want it to get too sweet. Mind you, I'm frying it on medium to low heat now, medium heat anyways. So I'll be adding the spices now. I'm adding all-purpose spice herb rather. I'm also adding thyme, I'm adding turmeric, I'm adding curry powder, and I'm adding cinnamon powder. Basically that is it. So I'll just add all that and then keep sauteing everything until it's partly translucent, as you can see now. And then I'll add my carrots. So because you know the ingredients are like tough in different stages, so that's why I'm adding them in this manner. You don't just want to just dump everything in the pot, except if you're in such a hurry, and of course it will come out nice, but yeah, let's just do the right thing. So this sauce I've made, it was supposed to be for a barbecue, but it's like a leftover. It has garlic, ginger, spring onions, some tomato and habanero pepper. So it's going to make my sauce really spicy. You can skip this part if you don't have it, but if you do, it's a good time to add it. And then for the vegetarians watching this, it's a good time for you to add your meat or tofu or mushroom, anything you have right at this point. But if you don't, just leave it like that and just add your cabbage and bell peppers. It will still come out nice. So the next thing I'm doing is to turn in my cabbage, and as you can see, it's like the major ingredient. So I've increased the heat now to high temperature just so that it can briskly cook what is left. I'm also adding the bell peppers now. And again, for the vegetarians at this point, you can add your beans or any other extra ingredient. And this is where it ends for the vegetarians, to be fair, because our rice is ready and you can just go on to serve it. But I have some chicken for the people who like meat, and it is grilled and steamed. So I'm just going to turn it into the pot now, just so that everything will just come to a boil and it will simmer together. Mind you, we also want our vegetable crisp, fresh, tasty and crunchy at the same time. I always emphasize that you don't want to overcook your veggies, so just do everything fast and get the ingredient out of the fire. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to turn in the chicken and then mix it together to just parboil. So I've mixed it now, and to be fair guys, this is where the recipe particularly or partially ends, but I'll just let you know that you can use this sauce or this vegetable sauce to eat a lot of things. You can, like the next day, I think my husband boiled egg and ate some rice with it. The other time he used bread with some sunny side up, and he just ate it as a salad on the side with a major dish. So you can just play around with it, and it's very healthy and spicy for cold season, you know. So you can just finish it up with a dash of soy sauce like I'm doing, and just mix it. Then if you like, cover it up a bit to simmer and just serve your rice or your yam or potato or anything you have. You can just enjoy this sauce with anything, and I think for this festive season it will make a difference on your table or on your spread. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, it's time for us to all go and eat now. Get your rice ready, and if you try this recipe, please remember to put in the comment section, just so that I would know somebody is having some value from what I'm doing. And this is definitely where the video ends. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching, and I really wish you a very Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and just do the beautiful things that this video desires, requires, and all that. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. Bye.